Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Plus PU College online classes. Dear students, in this particular session, we shall continue with our exercise 7.4. So exercise 7.4 is related to, that is the integrals of some particular function. And the previous class we had some very important formulas related to that. Now, so today we shall continue with the type. There are nearly up to 6 derivations and nearly up to 4 types to solve the problems. That means 10. So here the next type of problem we shall solve here. So to solve this we require the completing the squares method here. Now let us examine what it is. For example, in this particular case we shall take the denominator. Now what is the denominator here? Denominator is nothing but here dr means denominator, that is x square, that is x square minus 2x minus 5. Now here can I write it as x square minus 2x. Now we have to frame it in the complete square form. So what I will do is, this is x square obviously, then here 2x it is there, 2x I will divide it by 2 and within 2 phase will change it, that is 1 is x and the remaining part is the 1 here. This one I will add and subtract 1 square minus 1 square minus 5 will take. First of all you have to take these two terms, x square as it is, then minus 2x as it is. This middlemost term is there, I will divide it by 2, anything it may be, 4x early, 5x early, 6x, anything it may be, just divide it by 2 and here the first term x is here this value and the second term is whatever it is remaining, such that after multiplication you will get the same thing, multiply madadaga same values barabeku, aa riti values ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ one thing. Then that reduces to now this whole thing, that is nothing but here a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is x minus 1 whole square it is. Underline portion is x minus 1 whole square. Then minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 6 here. That is a very simple problem. Now how we can write here, therefore that implies integration of the given question I is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square minus of 6 into dx, minus 6 dx. Now what I will do here is put x minus 1 equal to t, put x minus 1 equal to t. That implies we get a dx equal to dt, I will get both of it is substitute, which is equal to I is equal to integration of 1 divided by t square minus 6 dt, that is equal to integration of 1 divided by t square minus root 6 whole square I will take, t square minus root 6 whole square, that in turn that is nothing but here 1 divided by x square minus a square format. Now what is that x square minus a square formula? That is nothing but here integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus an integral constant, say it is. Now here what we have to do is you have to substitute. Here in the place of x the formula you are having t here. So that implies I is equal to, or I integral value is equal to, that is 1 by 2a. 2a means 1 by 2 into root 6 into log of x. X means what it is? T minus root 6 divided by t plus root 6. Now what is that t? That we shall substitute the last step, which is equal to 1 by 2 root 6. That is nothing but here log of t. What is the value for t? That is x minus 1. X minus 1 minus root 6 whole divided by x minus 1 plus root 6 plus an integral constant c. That is a required result. Very simple and easy example. Okay dear students, that is all about the first method. Now here one more simple thing what we can do is, here we know that once we got x minus 1 whole square minus 6, if I take this whole term as x square, then directly you can apply the formula, that is log of x minus a divided by x plus a. X is nothing but x minus 1. In that direct method also you can solve the given problem. But here as per as the method I am taking the substitution method here, then afterwards I can solve here. Okay dear students, now let us move on to the next problem. The next problem is the question integration of 1 divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 2 into dx. x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. Now here, so little bit basics, that is nothing but x square plus 2x plus 2. Here I can write this term as, first of all, x square as it is plus 2x. This 2x, what I have to do here, 2x divided by 2, again divide it. So first term is x here, x write down. What is the remaining part? X into 1 here, I will write down the 1 value. Now here, that means here this one I have to add and subtract, I have to add and subtract here, plus 2. Okay. So what we get here, that is, okay, the value is here, this underlined portion is x plus 1 whole square, then here minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1 I will get. Next I have to substitute this value in the given question. So therefore I is equal to integral of 1 divided by root of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 into dx. Now you can substitute the value, that is put x plus 1 equal to t. That implies we get dx equal to dt. Dx equal to dt. Substitute both the values here. So what we get here, which is equal to integration of 1 divided by root of t square plus 1. Okay, t square plus 1 into dt. What I had done here, in the place of x plus 1 whole square, I had put here t here. Now which formula does it have? That is x square plus a square. Okay, that is integration of 1 divided by root of a square plus x square or x square plus a square, that is nothing but log of x plus root of a square plus x square. This particular formula we have to make use here. Now what is that formula, that we shall observe here, which is equal to log of t plus root of a square plus x square, that is nothing but here 1 plus t square plus an integral constant c here. Now here what is the t value that we shall substitute? T value ಏನೈತಿ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ x plus 1 ಐತಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳು. So what we get, that is log of x plus 1, okay, plus of root of 1 plus x or x plus 1, nothing wrong in that. Okay, that is x plus 1 whole square plus an integral constant c. Now even though you solve it, whenever you solve it, again you will get the same question, that is root of x square plus 2x plus 1 you will get there. Okay dear students, it is a very simple problem. So please pause the video to note it. Okay dear students, now let us move on with the next problem. So what is there in this next problem means, here the denominator is 9x square plus xx plus 3 we have. That is, let us reform it, that is 9x square plus 6x plus 3, which is equal to this 9x square, I can write it as 3x square, 3x whole square, that is nothing but 3 square means 9x square plus of, that is 6x. Now what I will do is 6x divided by 2 I will do. Okay, 6x divided by 2, that is nothing but we get 3x. This 3x I have to divide into 2 types. One is 3x, I have 3x irabeko, that is 3x only, and remaining part will be 1. Why? Because 3x into 1, that is nothing but 3x here. So now we have to add and subtract 1 square minus 1 square plus 3. Okay, so now this underlined portion, what it is, that is nothing but here this value will be 3x plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 3, that is nothing but plus 2. Okay, what it is nothing but our the value. Okay, it is nothing but our denominator we had framed into completing the square form. ಈಗ I ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, question is, that is 1 divided by 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 into dx. Now here put 3x plus 1 equal to t, you substitute. ಈ 3x differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3 dx equal to dt. Okay, 3x equal to dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ dx ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, dt divided by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, dx equal to dt by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, I is equal to dx means dt by 3, dt divided by 3. Next term is here 3x plus 1 means t square plus 2. Okay, now can I write it as 3 integration of dt divided by t square plus root 2 whole square, can I write? That is nothing but again 2 will get. Now what it is nothing but 1 divided by x square plus a square. Okay, we know that integration of 1 divided by Okay, a square plus x square is equal to 1 by a or x square plus a square tan inverse of x by a here, tan inverse of x by a plus an integral constant c. This formula we shall make use. That is nothing but here 1 by 3 as it is constant. Here a means what it is? Root 2. A means nothing but here 1 by a, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. Okay. Next here tan inverse of x by a, tan inverse of, that is nothing but here tan inverse of x. X means what we have? That is t divided by a means root 2 plus an integral constant c, which is equal to 1 divided by 3 root 2 tan inverse of t divided by root 2 plus an integral constant c. That is your required result. Now, what do you mean by t here? That also you are required to substitute. What is the t? 3x plus 1. T is nothing but here 3x plus 1, and that will be your required result. Very, very simple and easy example here. Okay, dear students. Now, let us move on to the next problem, next example, that is integration of 1 divided by root of 7 minus 6x, okay, minus x square into dx. ಈಗ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7 ಮೈನಸ್ 6x ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 7 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6x ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಓಪನ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6x ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅದ 6x ಅದ, 6x ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 6x divided by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 3x ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ x is there, x square. Okay, the x part I will take, remaining part is 3 into x, that is 3x here. Now here we have to add and subtract 3 square minus 3 square. Now here this particular 3 I have to add and subtract its square here. Now what we get here, that is nothing but here 7 minus this whole underlined part, that is nothing but here x plus 3 whole square. Now here minus 9 we have, which is equal to 7 minus of x plus 3 whole square plus 9. I will open the brackets. Plus 9, 7. So what we get here, that is 9 plus 7, that is 16 here. 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. This value I will substitute in the question. That implies I is equal to integration of 1 divided by root of 16, that is 16 minus x plus 3 whole square into dx ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, which is equal to integration of 1 divided by root of what it is 4 square minus of x plus 3 whole square into dx. Now here I will substitute. What I will substitute? That is put x plus 3 equal to t, that implies dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what we get here, which is equal to integration of 1 divided by root of 4 square, okay, that is 4 square minus what we have t square, 4 square minus t square into dt. Now what is that formula? That is the root of a square minus x square, because integration of 1 divided by root of a square minus x square dx is equal to, the value will be sin inverse of x by a plus an integral constant c here, that is nothing but a square minus x square. ಈಗ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, which is equal to, that is sin inverse of x, what is x here, t divided by a means what it is 4 plus c, the value will be sin inverse of, okay, sin inverse of t, t means what we have, that is x plus 3, x plus 3 whole divided by 4, that is nothing but your required result here. Dear students, one more thing, directly we can solve it. ಈ x plus 3 whole square ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ x square ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sin inverse of x by x ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, x plus 3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then also you will get the directly result. You can skip here 2 to 3 steps, you can skip here. Okay, dear students, it is a very clear and a simple example. So before going to the next video, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now let us continue with the next problem here. The next problem, so here this problem, it is of the form px plus q whole divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Now here what we have to do here is that the numerator, that is px plus q equal to capital letter A into d by dx of the denominator ax square plus bx plus c plus capital letter B. Here we require to find both of the values. ಈ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆಲಿ d by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ in the place of this numerator you have to substitute this value. When after finding out a and b value, you have to put here in the numerator. Then afterwards you check whether we can solve it or not. For example, here in this particular problem we have x plus 3, okay, x plus 3 equal to a, the numerator, into d by dx of the denominator, that is x square minus 2x minus 5 plus b. Now here what we have, which is equal to a into x square differentiation is 2x minus 2 plus b. What it is? X plus 3. Here you multiply it by a, that is nothing but here 2ax minus 2a plus b. Okay, that is nothing but here what we have, x plus 3. Now I will compare in the coefficient of x. Okay, comparing coefficient of x and constant. That is, for the coefficient of x we have here 1 it is, which is equal to 2a. That implies a equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು. ಈಗ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ is 3 and here constant what we have, 2a minus b minus 2a plus b. Here we know the value for a, substitute it, that is 3 equal to minus 2 by 2 plus b. So that implies b equal to 2 by 2 it is 1, 3 plus 1 that is 4. So what we get, b is equal to 4 and a is equal to 1 by 2. You put both of these values in equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1 you substitute and what we get here, that implies, so that implies here px plus q, that is x plus 3 equal to a. A means what we got here, 1 by 2 into what we have, 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2 plus of b. What is the value for b? That is 4. Okay, both of these values will substitute here. So which is equal to, I is equal to, that implies I is equal to integration of x plus 3 means 1 by 2 into 2x minus 3 plus 4 whole divided by the denominator, that is x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. Now it is a very simple thing. So before going to the problem here, we shall also find out what is the denominator value. ಈ denominator value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, complete in the square ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, that is x square minus 2x minus 5 equal to x square minus 2x. Now here 2x divided by 2 means what we get, 1 is x here and another one value is 1. X into 1, that is x only, that is plus 1 square minus 1 square then minus 5. So this underlined portion will be x minus 1 whole square, okay, minus 6 here, minus 6. This value also I will substitute here. Okay, so what we get here, that is I is equal to, that implies I is equal to integration of, so here I can distribute it as 2x minus 3, okay, that is 2x minus 2 it is, dear students, it is 2x minus 2, okay, divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx plus 4 into integration of, okay, that is 1, that is 4 into x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. Now here we can observe that the differentiation of the denominator, x square differentiation 2x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 2x differentiation 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That means here that is nothing but here 1 by 2 log of, okay. So if I substitute here in this part 1, that is put put x square plus x square minus 2x minus 5 equal to t. That implies 2x minus 2 dx equal to dt. This value I will substitute here, and here what I will put here, instead of this x square minus 2x minus 5, I will substitute the value, that is x minus 1 whole square minus 6 here. So what we get here, I is equal to 1 by 2. That means directly I will write here, instead of this value I will write it as x minus 1 whole square plus 6. Okay, now here what I will substitute here in this part, x minus 1 equal to t means dx equal to dt I will substitute. Now both of the values put in above, that implies integration of 1 divided by t into dt plus 4 into integration of 1 divided by t square plus root 6 whole square. Why? Because 6 we have 6 ಅದ, root 6 whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ 1 by t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, log t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here t square plus a square, that is tan inverse. That implies 1 by 2, what we have, log t plus 4 into what we get here, 1 by a. 1 by a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ, 1 by root 6. 1 by root 6 tan inverse of what we have, that is t by a, that is t by root 6 plus an integral constant c, which is equal to 1 by 2 log t plus 4 divided by root 6 tan inverse of t divided by root 6 plus an integral constant c here. ಈಗ t ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೈತೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, what do you mean by t here? T value, that is nothing but here, so here x minus 1 here, which is equal to 1 by 2 log of this value for t is x square minus 2x minus 5 plus 4 by root 6 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ. To avoid the confusion, let us take it as y here. ಇದನ್ನು dy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು y ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ you can write as y here. So y means what we have here, y means here x minus 1 tan inverse of x minus 1 divided by root 6 plus an integral constant c. That is nothing but our required result. Okay dear students, similarly you can solve the remaining problem also. So you can take these problems as homework, that is integration of x plus 2 divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 3, okay, into dx. One thing, and next one is 5x plus 3 whole divided by root of, we have x square plus 4x plus 10. These two problems you can take it as homework. Okay dear students, this completes your exercise number 7.4. In the next session we shall start with the integration by making use of partial fractions. That is very very important, and fixed one problem will be there in your examination. So before that, thank you.